Need affiliate marketing advice that works? Use these tips. Millions upon millions of computer users are logging on to the internet every day to do their shopping, and they have to find these products through search engines and websites. This is where you could come in as an affiliate marketer. If you can drive them to the products, you could earn a healthy commission, and this video will tell you how you can do it. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. An important part of affiliate marketing is choosing a quality product to market. Any recommendation that you make, online or offline, is a reflection on your character. If you're recommending shoddy products or shady services, your site visitors are going to assume you're just another con artist and ignore future marketing attempts. When looking for payout from an affiliate marketing program, remember that many companies will hold onto your money for quite some time after a sale. In many cases, you have to meet a lower threshold before you are allowed to withdraw your commission. In other cases, the parent company may hold your money until after they ship the product, to ensure the order isn't cancelled or returned. Don't expect instant payout on a sale. Don't let these online shoppers come and go without taking advantage of their willingness to spend money. Their spending habits could very easily be putting money in your bank account starting tomorrow. You just have to follow the advice you watch here and work hard to build your marketing brand. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.